And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Ho-ho!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative, imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends, let's all get together, use our creative minds and our imagination to squiggle and design. Let's all be creative, imagine and pretend. When we play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
That's us! Hello everyone, my name is Sauerpuss, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. Each week, we bring to you a new Sauerpuss creativity exercise. I sure hope you can join us for a new and exciting episode from me, Sauerpuss. Today, we are celebrating Independence Day here at the Creativity Castle. As you can see, we are all decorated to celebrate. Independence Day, also known as the 4th of July, is the National Day of the United States. For it was on that day, July 4th, back in 1776, that the Second Continental Congress signed the Declaration of Independence, declaring that the 13 American colonies were no longer subject to the monarch of Britain and were now united, free, and independent states. On the 4th of July, there are many forms of celebrations, from fireworks and parades to concerts, family reunions, barbecues, and many other events that celebrates the history, government, and traditions of the United States. Are you planning to celebrate this 4th of July? As you can see, we are all decorated here for the 4th of July with all the red, white, and blue decorations. And today, we will use the 4th of July as our inspiration for today's creative drawing. And before we begin, let me first introduce you to 3 of my friends and independent spirits. This is Penny and the Pencils.
Happy
4th of July, Sauerpuss!
Hi, Sourpuss.
Born in the USA, I was born in the USA.
Whoopee! What a fun time!
Penny and her pals are always here cheering me on.
Yay!
So, if you're ready, let's
It's
begin.
so fun to be creative together.
And for today's exercise, all you need is some paper and a black marker. I like to use a thin black marker so I can include all kinds of little details. And today's follow-along can be found for free on my website in the printable section. And for today's drawing, we are going to draw a 4th of July follow-along. For this follow-along, we will be drawing a creative fireworks character.
I'm ready to celebrate!
So let's get ready and be creative! I will begin by first drawing this character's eyes. Here I will start with 2 ovals. Next, we will add the pupils for the eyes. And next, I will give this character a happy smile. And next, I will draw this character's animated body. I would like this character to look like a three-dimensional firecracker. Here I am drawing two lines that start out large at the top and then get a little closer at the end. And then I will connect these two lines with a small curve like this. And next I will draw an oval at the top connecting the two lines to give the appearance of a cylindrical, three-dimensional character. After this, I will next draw the wick of the firecracker here at the top. And I'd like my wick to look like it's lighted, so next I'll add some zigzaggy lines and some additional lines and stars to make it look like it's getting ready to pop. Oh, how I love the 4th of July and all of the fireworks displays. It's so fun to celebrate our independence. Next, I'll add a little bit more detail to this firework. I will add some additional curved lines to make it look like there's stripes on this character's body. And why don't I make it look like this character's mouth is open to show off his smile? And I will also add some arms to this character. Because this is your drawing too, you can draw your arms or other details on your character the way you'd like to. And I think I'll add a flag to this character. I would like to have my character waving a little flag. Next, I will add some elements of celebration to this drawing. Little confetti and lines and sparkles to indicate the celebration of the 4th of July. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like, give us a thumbs up.
What a good drawing!
Why, thank you, Penny. And before we go for today, let's add a little patriotic color to this drawing.
Super cool!
Oh boy, this fireworks character to celebrate the 4th of July was really fun to draw.
What a creative exercise!
We'll see you next time. And from all of us at Sauerpuss and Friends, happy 4th of July! We'll see you next time. And remember to be creative!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Ho ho! remember to go to our website for our latest activities and downloads, including today's follow-along. Register today for free. Hoo-hoo!
Join us next time